Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about the use of repeat function. How to use this repeat function and what is the purpose of this function. We have various numbers and we will show these numbers in only 15 digits. We will cover the 15 digits completely. So for REPT, repeat, this asterisk, and here we have 15 asterisk, and if we use length shows the characters in a cell. So when we paste this formula, we can see that it is showing 15 characters less than the length of the number characters. And if we concatenate number with this, we get this. So all of our digits are now in 15 characters. Let's suppose we want to convert this into number format, then we will use this function text. Text converts the text into some formatted text. So we converted the text into number format. We can also use this like so we can remove this B3 and paste this. So here are the values. And if we want our number in the mid of these 15 digits, then we can use this and please remember we will not use this /2 as this will divide the length of B3 and will give you more asterisk. We have to use that 15 minus len B3 and the answer divided by 2. Here it is. So we will copy this and paste it here, and our value is in the mid of these 15 digits. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.